Hello friends, NASA's Curiosity Mars rover used its left MustCam Z camera or MustCam to capture this 180-degree view of Gardis Wireless Channel on 31st March 2024, the 4142nd Martin day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. The shadow of the rover's mast, Curiosity's head, can be seen at the bottom right. This area was likely formed by large floods of water and debris that piled jumbles of rock into mounds within the channel and created a long ridge downhill, that is, Gardis Vallis Ridge. On the right side of the scene, just across a lane of dark sand covering the near side of the channel, is Fascinational Turret, one of the several mounds found within the channel. On the left side is a pile of rock nicknamed Hinman Kernel. The region, rich in salty minerals called sulfate, is in the foothill of Mount Sharp, a 3-mile tall mountain within the Mars Gale crater. This panorama is made up of 176 individual images that were stitched together after being sent back to Earth. The color has been adjusted to match the lighting conditions as the human eyes would see them on Earth. NASA's Curiosity rover is a car-sized robotic explorer on Mars, part of the Mars Science Laboratory mission. It landed on Mars in August 2012 and has been exploring Gale Crater and Mount Sharp, searching for the evidence of past habitability and the presence of organic molecules. As of April 2025, NASA's Mars rover Curiosity is located in the Gale crater on Mars, exploring and tracking the foothill of Mount Sharp on the red planet Mars. Curiosity was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads the mission on behalf of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington. Malin Space Science Systems in San Diego built and operate MustCam. A key objective for Curiosity's mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. The Mars Perseverance and Mars Curiosity mission are the part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover and Mars Curiosity rover. Let me tell you again that NASA's Mars rover Curiosity captured these images on 31st March 2024, the 4142nd Martin day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. This panorama is made up of 176 individual images that were stitched together after being sent back to Earth. The color has been adjusted to match the lighting conditions as the human eyes would see them on Earth.